peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got another unboxing for you from the company behind this wonderful finish. This is the tiger that I finished from MosaiCraft. I know a lot of you really enjoyed watching me unbox this and the process of me completing it. I am so happy with it. It has been pride of place on the shelf behind my desk, and yeah, I'm so happy. So having enjoyed this, and this is a single base, sort of a beginner's kit, I thought, let's have another go. Let's up the ante a little bit and we'll do sort of the next stage up, a 2 base kit. So that's what I've got in here. Just pop my little tiger over to one side. That's everything in there. So, oh, and here she is. So, oh, we've got some sellotape on there, I think. Yep. There we go. So, I'll talk about that in a minute. This is my second kit. Oh, I don't want to lose those. This is a lovely unicorn. This design is copyright A Little Something More. So yeah, really nice artwork, and I was just really taken by the colours as well. So the kit comes with everything that you need. Obviously I have my magnetic board from last time, so I'll be using that again. And here are my patterns. So this is going to be a little bit more involved than last time. That's my instruction sheet, and then we've got a list of colours and telling me how many of each colour I should have. Then, so you can, if you haven't seen my earlier video, I will pop a link up in the corner, but the way that it works is that your base plate is placed over this pattern, and we then fill in the 4 colours that are listed here. So you can see we've got 100, 106, 111, 120. We've got those 4 shapes, and we fill those in, and then you move on to the next. You move your base plate and you do the next 4 colours. So it's really nice because you're working in stages. You're never overwhelmed by having an awful lot of something to do at once. Obviously this has got a lot more instructions than the last kit, but it's twice as big. So that is why. And then, yeah, I really love the way that when you look at it like this, you can't really see the image at all, but as it builds up, you see it all come together. So those are our instructions all together. This is our picture of what it's going to look like. We've got our 2 base plates. The main thing to remember with these, particularly now that we're working with 2 of them, but even if you're just working with 1, is that you need to make sure they've got a, see the arrow on them? It doesn't matter if the arrow is up or down, but whatever way you pick, that is the way you have to keep it. So otherwise you'll have done some of the pattern that way and then turned it and done the pattern the wrong way, and it won't make sense at all. So you need to make sure that you are keeping them the same way. So maybe make a little note in the corner of your instructions that you have your arrow pointing upwards or downwards, however you prefer it. Now this little bag here has got our 2 little dovetail fixings, so that when these are completed they will be lined up next to each other, and you really can't see that very clearly, but there is a little tiny dovetail gap here. I wonder if you can see it better on the one that's finished. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, so there's 2 on the sides, 1 on top and bottom. Oh, you can just see it there, little dovetail. So we're going to use these to fix that all together. So these are our colours. They include the kit number so that you're not going to get confused if you have multiple kits in your stash. And I'm not going to get all of these out because I won't get them in again as nice as they are. But just to give you an idea of the colours, we've got grey, we've got a beautiful purple, a paler grey, white, another purple. We've got this sort of more plum, another grey, dark blue, and then again going through you can see we've got more lovely colours. These, on the back of each one, you'll see it's got a number. So this is colour number 277. That really nice bright purple is 206. This one, 148. So that's the number that you're looking for when you are picking your colours. And you just pop each of the little squares off. Really, they come off really easily with tweezers, and actually I found that quite a satisfying part of the creation process. If you are like me and you're a bit of a fidgeter or a bit of a picker, then it scratches that itch definitely. So these are, if you're a diamond painting terminology, these are your drills, but they are our pixels. So we've got our 2 bases, our pixels, our little dovetail joining bits, and in addition, for this one, let's just grab some scissors. So yeah, what I've done is I've created a MosaiCraft playlist as well. That will be linked at the end of this video. So if you are watching this and you're thinking, I have no idea what she's talking about, what is this new thing, I would say go watch the videos that are on there, because I did obviously I did a video unboxing the tiger and then a post review of that as well, and you can see some footage of me working on it. So here we have our frame. Now this is designed specifically to take these 2 boards inside it, so that they will go into that frame once they are finished, and that will really finish off the painting really nicely. So that's the way that it's going to be for my painting. They do also, on their website, they sell frames for the single base plate pictures, so you can get frames for those, and the frames go right up in size to the much bigger paintings as well, creations as well. So it's well worth considering purchasing a frame to really finish off, especially if you want to give it as a gift. I think that's a really nice way to finish it off. So let's talk prices. The unicorn kit, which is everything, not the frame, but you've got your instructions, you've got your pixels, you've got your base plates, and you've got your dovetail clips. That is £30. This is a UK company as well. I don't know if I remembered to say that before, but yes, they are based in the UK. So this is all £30. The frame is £11. However, MosaiCraft have been kind enough to give me a little discount code for you guys. So if you email them, and you do have to email to sales@mosaicraft.co.uk, I'll pop it on the screen. Using the email them, tell them what you want to order, and give them the code MosaiCraft YT10, so YouTube 10 YT10. You will get 10% off your order. So yeah, you cannot do that. You can't use the discount code if you order through their site. You do have to email them directly, but it's really simple, and they are very lovely people and will be more than happy to help you. Also, you know, if you are wondering what you should order, whether you need any extras, it is well worth emailing them, or you pop me a message and I will see if I can help you. I am by no means an expert. This is the only one I've ever done, but I've done it, I've completed it, and I'm very happy with it. So the other thing that you will need in addition is a tool for completing this. That will be a pair of round-nosed tweezers. You want round-nosed tweezers like that. If you use the spiky tweezers, you might scratch the top of the pixels and then it will ruin the finished effect. So, but most crafters have got tweezers, but you can buy them on their site. They're about £3 a pair. But if you've got them already, you won't need to purchase any. So, yeah, that is my new kit. I am itching to get started on this one. So I will try and get a good start on this and get a video uploaded showing me working on it. As I say, if you want to see me working on a MosaiCraft project already, pop back and look at my tiger. And this I'm going to keep for another video to show you. Possibly a live, actually. I might do this in a live. But yeah, so remember to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload a video, and that way you won't miss out when I get onto that little project. So thank you once again to MosaiCraft for working with me and sorting out that discount code for you all. It's very, very generous of them. Thank you to everybody for watching, and as always, big thanks to my channel members and patrons. You guys are the best, and if anybody wants to join them, details are down below. It is from just 99p per month, and I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you live. So that is all from me. Thank you so much, and until next time, stay crafty.